Greetings and welcome to our tiny house project. So we are here today to update everyone on what we've done since our last video. And also remember to visit our Three Corners Farm page if you would like to read about all of the costs and the work that we've done up until this point. And that's at threecornersfarm.com. So, aside from that, we only have about another month, I think, to wrap this project up with our son, and we're getting closer. So I'm going to let Travis tell you what he's done since our last update.
All right, so we finished getting the drywall up in the bathroom and in the kitchen area. And then, of course, you see behind us, we got it all taped and getting ready to texture. So the last step we need to do in here is to sand all the stuff that we've mudded. And then I'll be texturing it. We did get the shower put in the bathroom. The only thing left in the bathroom is getting a toilet system put in. And Trevor's still looking at ordering one of those. It's going to be a composting system. He just hasn't figured out which one he wanted to go with. Next, we got all the electrical tested. I had the electrical panel put all together, wire goes outside, and then we just need to get our trench all the way over to the well house, to that main power source. Is the last big project outside for the house, because with that we'll bring in the water. But all the water and electrical has been tested and working, and that's where we're at right now, is just getting ready to do our texturing so we can finish putting in the floors in the main level. And we did have floors we put up in the loft just to get them put up there, so we could be laying on something a little smoother than OSB board, because when we go up there to work, OSB board, you get slivers. And it gave us an idea what it's going to look like when we put them on the main level.
Okay, so I hope that you all enjoy our progress so far, and I'm actually going to miss this a little bit when it's done, because it's been really exciting to put a whole house together, even if it is small. It will be comfortable, it will be new, and it will be very cheap living for our son to start out his life with. So, with that said, we thank you for following along, and stay well and be blessed.